Welcome everybody to our channel, Patwa Tex Evridie. Patwa our language, and we feel good to share one more text with you from the Bible. Today text come from 1 Timothy 4 verses 7 to 9. Listen what it say.
No have nothing to do with the Tory them we not true, and we are just foolish. But work hard to follow what God say, and live how you know God want you to live. Cause just like how we exercise and train we body so it we strong, we have to exercise and train we heart to follow God. Cause when we train we heart to follow God, we not just get strong, but God cause we to live now and forever and ever. That is the truth, and everybody to follow it.
Think about this. Where this a text a teach me about God? How me can use it in my life? How me can use it help other people? One way we can use it help other people is to share it with them so them can live how God tell them to live. This is how me think. God really love we, and when we serve Him, it make Him happy. So we must read Him word every day and think about it hard, then share it with people. And just remember say, when you wanna text far, it make the devil turn far. See you soon.